Okay guys, so we have our fresh ingredients, most importantly our fresh snapper. We've got our butter and our lemon for our sauce, a bit of garnish in chives and some parmesan, a bit of salt and pepper and some spuds. We're going to bring all that together and I'm going to show you what that looks like very soon. Okay, so we're going to knock up the sauce. It's as simple as some butter in the pan. And squeeze the lemon in, guys. And keep all the juices in the pan from when you're cooking the fish. That'll give it the flavour. So just knocking up our mashed potato, guys. A little secret tip, tartare sauce in the mash. Just a little dollop like that. Yummy. Okay, so just we'll put our butter and lemon sauce on, then we're just going to drizzle a little bit of parmesan cheese over the top, just like that. And chives for garnish. Now, I'm not the cleanest chef, guys, but that looks amazing.